Optimizing Minecraft graphic settings can enhance your gameplay experience by improving performance and visual quality. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access the graphics settings. Launch Minecraft and navigate to the main menu. Click on Options, then select Video Settings to access the graphics options available. Step 2. Adjust render distance. In the Video Settings menu, locate the Render Distance option. Lowering this setting can significantly improve performance, especially on lower-end systems. A setting between 8 to 12 chunks is often a good balance for most players. Step 3. Change graphics quality. Find the graphics option in the video settings. You can choose between fast and fancy. Selecting fast reduces visual effects like leaves and grass, which can help increase frame rates. Step 4. Modify smooth lighting. Look for the smooth lighting setting. You can set it to off or minimum to reduce the graphical load. This will make lighting less dynamic but can improve performance on slower machines. Step 5. Enable VSync and frame rate limit. Scroll down to find the VSync option and enable it to prevent screen tearing. Additionally, set a frame rate limit that matches your monitor's refresh rate for smoother gameplay. This can also help reduce unnecessary strain on your system. By following these steps, you can optimize your Minecraft graphics settings for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your time in the blocky world.